Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today for 2018 Toyota 86, stock number 6510. This ran from the 10th 2016 to the 9th 2021. It has an FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a F80 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door 5 dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door 2 dents, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console, or manual gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, the front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,